Welcome to the Vegan Spice. My name is Joseph. 100% plant-based and 100% vegan. What are we doing today? We are doing homemade almond milk. We have some nut bags here. We have soaked almonds. We're going to finish it up with some organic maple syrup, and we're going to add a little bit of cinnamon. Hibiscus tea coming right at you. Welcome to the Vegan Spice. Let's do it. There's so many benefits from making your homemade milks at home, guys. First and foremost, there's no thickening agents. There's no carrageenan, there's no xanthan gums, there's no extra salt, there's no guar gums. That is the benefit of making your homemade milks at home. You know exactly what's in the ingredient list. So, we have soaked almonds, about 2 cups. We have some milk bags that we're going to go ahead and strain. Any type of blender is going to work. You can even use a food processor. Now, I'm going to show you up close why you need to soak the almonds. So, right here we have a soaked almond overnight. Pretty plump, pretty big, right? Then we have this little guy over here. This is not soaked at all. So the benefit of soaking the almonds overnight is that it's going to absorb the liquid and make it more pliable. It's going to make it, you can go ahead and blend it more in the food processor. It's going to go ahead and break down more. The skins on them, the pulp on the inside. That's the benefit of going ahead and soaking your nuts. Not only that, it's going to decrease the phytic acid, all right, in that certain food that you're soaking. What's phytic acid? Phytic acid is going to be an anti-nutrient. It's going to pull minerals from your bones and your body, and we don't want that, okay? You can go ahead and Google it more and research more on phytic acid and why your grandma or your mom or your grandfather soak their beans, soak their nuts before they consume them, okay? So here we go. We have a finishing product jar that you want to go ahead and keep your milk in. In this case, it's going to be a mason jar. You need a strainer, obviously another bowl to strain it into. 2 cups of almonds, all right, overnight. And we have some milk bags. This is what we're going to be straining it into, okay, when we're done. So I'm going to go ahead and walk over here and show you guys up close. We have these non-bleached type of milk bags, guys. This is a medium type deal, all right? These are very tough. Comes with a string right here. This is a beautiful one. You can buy these on Amazon. Then we have a larger size of the one I just showed you, okay? This is nice and big, guys, all right? Non-bleached. Some of them are made with hemp. Some of them are made with cotton. This is a thicker type deal right here, okay? But these are beautiful. You can buy like a 4-pack or a 2-pack, all right? But we're going to go ahead, in this case, we're going to go ahead and use this one, the medium-sized one, all right? Any type of blender, believe it or not, a food processor, I've done it in the past with that. That is going to work also, all right? You can go ahead and strain them, or I've done it with, I use the water that, it's soaking in, okay? It's fine. It doesn't matter. But in this case, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and strain the water out, okay? Try to get as much as you can out. It's not a big deal. I'm going to put in it depends how much almond milk you really want. If you want more, then go ahead and use more water. If you want less, then use less water. That's about it. And I still have some in the strainer right here, okay? Go ahead and add some water. A little bit more than halfway. That's what we're going to use today, guys. This is so easy and so simple, it's not even funny, okay? So we're going to go ahead and put the top on that bad boy. We're going to flip it on, and we're going to blend it. That's it. You can do the oat, you can do the hemp seeds, you can do walnuts, whatever type of milk that you want to go ahead and use, blend it. That's it. I give it about 2 or 3 minutes on this guy right here. This is a glass jar. This is an osterizer or an osterizer. This is from the 1980s. Beautiful. Does the job. Perfect. Whatever you want to use. You can go ahead and use a food processor. Remember that. A blend tech. A Vitamix. Black adapter. It doesn't matter. Whatever you have is going to work fine. Just blend it more and blend it longer. Probably another minute on this. Yeah, beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and move that over there. Take this away. We got this. That is it. Let's say that you don't have a nut bag. You don't have one of these. What do you use? Okay? Well, A, you can go ahead and put this over the bowl. You can take it right here and you can pour it and you can strain it. Okay? I've done that dozens and dozens and dozens of times. It's fine. It'll work. It does the job and it's awesome. But in this case, okay, we're going to go ahead and use this right here. Now, here's what you want to do. A little bit of sweetness is good. So what I'm going to do is add a little bit of maple syrup in this guy right here. This is going to be beautiful. Organic, probably a teaspoon. That's about it. I'm going to put that back. And we have cinnamon also. Nice. I'd say about 1/4 of a teaspoon, guys. All right, we're going to blend that up. And I think we're going to add just a little bit of salt. That's it. The best part of doing it at home is exactly what I did. Make it your own. Make it the way you like it. That, my friend, is it. So we're going to go ahead and use this one. Actually, we're going to use this one right here. I like this brand. I like them both, but today we're going to go ahead and use this one. We're going to get rid of that. Okay, here's where the magic happens, okay? I'm going to pull this puppy off. I can do it. Just pour it right into the bag. This is so easy, guys. Here you go. Look at that. That is where the magic happens right here, okay? So you just twist it like this. You twist the bag. That's all you're doing. You're getting the air out and you're getting the liquid out. Wow, I can smell that from here. That is going to be, it's thick, it's creamy, beautiful. Try to get as most out of the pulp as you can. Now the pulp that's left in here, guess what you could do? You can go ahead and put on a salad. You can go ahead and make a burger with it. You can put it in some, whatever you want to do, okay? And just kind of work with it a little bit like that. See how much is coming out? Take your time, squeeze it, keep turning it, okay? Getting all that out of there. That is beautiful. If you want more maple syrup, go ahead and add more maple syrup. If you want more cinnamon, go ahead and do that. If you don't want any, keep it just like that. That is just still keep coming out, guys. Try to get as much as you can. Out like that. We're going to put that over here. Going to wipe our hands a little bit. All right, so let me go ahead and give you a close-up of what's going on, all right? Look at this. You can tell how thick and creamy this is by, watch, when I swirl it in the container, it sticks to the sides. Do you see that sticking to the sides? It's coating the sides. That right there is beautiful. Let me go ahead and pour this in there. Where is my, if you don't have one of these are for ball jars. Right there. You see that? I'm going to go ahead and hold that. I'm going ahead and do one-handed here, guys. Wow. That just about makes one full one right there. That's done. That is it. That is homemade almond milk. You can use it for creamers, do whatever you want to make, whatever you want, guys. I can taste the cinnamon and I can taste the maple syrup. Fresh, clean ingredients right here at the Vegan Spice. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a sweet day. I'll see you later.